SlowCast English, Episode 38, Weekend Mood.
You look happy today.
Yeah, because it's Friday.
Haha, true. Any plans?
Not really. Just relax.
That sounds nice.
I need rest.
Busy week?
Very. I'm tired.
Same here.
Maybe I'll sleep late.
Lucky you.
What about you?
Family dinner.
That's sweet.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Introduction to this podcast. Casual Friday conversation. Nina and Jake chat about their Friday plans. Jake is happy. Since it's Friday, Anne plans to relax after a tiring week, possibly sleeping in. Nina is also tired and looks forward to a family dinner. Both share a mutual need for rest and enjoyment.
Thank you for your study. See you next time.